it's Real Jamaican Foodies, and we're back with another video. I'm your girl Toby, and first of all, I just want to wish you guys a happy new year. I know I'm a bit late, but you know, it's still the new year's. So for this, 2020 has been a long year, and a lot of persons have created businesses, right? So we have a lot of small business that has opened that serve food, and this year I want to support them, seeing that I'm a small business owner myself, right? So today I'll be purchasing food from Navinos Seafood. You can find them on Instagram at Navino, that's NAVINOS_seafood, right? You can follow them and the whole works. So me get my food, me I go eat it, and then I will be telling you all about it, right? See you. Hey guys, so I received my food. It was delivered. So Navino, he delivers the food to your home. I believe in certain areas it is free delivery, right? So I'm so excited because me really I don't know, some always hungry, like, right? Yeah. So this is my food. Look at it. And it smells real good, guys. And how much I paid for this? I paid $1,500, and I get mashed potato, I get corn, I get bami, I get a little piece of lettuce over there, and piece of plantain, and you have the shrimp. So it's well presentable, as you can see here. And I'm going to dig in. Tastes real good, guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with my review. So we have tasted the food, we have eaten the food, and now it's time to do the review. So first and foremost is that I really love the presentation of my meal. For something that is not presented on a platter but in one of those food boxes, it was really presentable, right? And two, so we're gonna go straight into the price of the meal. So first, I didn't pay for delivery. I believe the meal is prepared in Cornwall Court, and I live a bit of distance from Cornwall Court, so it was free delivery. And I paid $1,500 for curry coconut shrimp with 30, well, what would I say? It would be one bami, 1.5 bami, because it was 3 slices. So I'm gonna say putting 2 together make 1 bami, so yeah. And some mashed potatoes, some plantain, have a little bit of lettuce on the side, and then what really, we have some corn, and then what really when I dig into the meal, I saw some crackers underneath my shrimp. Yo, like that my friend is something different. You don't see that with shrimp, you see that with steamed fish, but not with shrimp. And that was really a brilliant idea, because me until I said the crackers soak in the coconut milk. So awesome. So I'm gonna go into the taste of the bami because guys, the bami, I don't know what was done, but I can taste it have a sweet taste, it have a cinnamon taste. So I'm figuring that it was soaked in like coconut milk with some cinnamon, something like that. But it have a really nice taste. I really enjoyed it. And then let's dive into the mashed potato. I could taste the mashed potato wasn't any normal mashed potato. It was seasoned. It was really nice. Well, really delicious. Because for 2021, we are trying to limit the amount of nice that is placed in my videos, right? Alright, so we're gonna go right into the shrimp. So the shrimp was spicy, right? And man, it was, let me see. I got it a bit cold, but I know that if it was hot, it would taste really awesome. Like, because not everywhere you go they can prepare shrimp real good. So I did enjoy the shrimp. It's curry. I love curry. Curry with coconut milk is my thing. So I really enjoyed it. It was really seasoned. It wasn't salt or overbearing. The spice wasn't overbearing as well. So everything really come together and make it a good meal. No, in terms of the belly full meal, I wouldn't say this meal is a belly full. It's really lunch, because you have breakfast, so you would really go into your lunch, and sometimes you have heavy breakfast and you want a light lunch. This is not such a light lunch, but yeah, it's not something where you go over full, because everything is in the right amount of portion. Right, so what else am I missing? So price is reasonable, food tastes good, real good for somebody that is not, well, I'm not sure. I know that he have been doing this most of our last year, but I'm not sure if he is a chef by profession, I believe. So guys, I want you to stop by Navinos, that's NAVINOS_seafood on Instagram. Check him out, supporting business, because trying new and his meal tastes, I did enjoy it. So guys, if you know any small cook shop or any person that do catering, do prepare food from home, let me know in the comments so I can support them once they're in the Montego Bay area, because I don't have a cars yet. So we're starting with Montego Bay, and you can stay tuned. I'm still going to be doing videos going to the popular restaurants as well, but I will be focusing on small business, right? So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have ever bought from Navinos Seafood, if you're in the Montego Bay area, or even if you're not in the Montego Bay area and you have heard about it. Let me know if you have tried this food and how you feel about in food, right? Real Jamaican foodie on the scene, you know what I mean? I'm out.